everyone! Once you guys hit 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel and you get 4,000 hours of watch time, YouTube lets you in on something that is called the Partner Program. Now you may have noticed already when you're watching YouTube, there are ads that are shown to you. So after YouTube allows you to join the Partner Program, YouTube will put ads on your videos. And after joining this program, you get a cut of the ad revenue for the ads that are shown on your videos. In my opinion, with knowing this makes YouTube one of the best social media platforms to be utilizing. And because of the fact that they also pay a lot more than these other social media platforms such as TikTok or Instagram. Now at this point you're probably wondering, Kayla, how much do we actually get paid? Well, let me tell you that you guys are in luck because my brother runs over 12 YouTube channels and I've done some extensive research to really find this answer for you guys. And the answer that I found is that most channels make anywhere from $1 to $30 per 1,000 views. And you might be wondering, well, Kayla, that is a big difference from $1 jumping to $30. Now, based on research and my brother's experience, we have found that most channels make anywhere from $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. Or you could put it in the sense that it's $500 to $1,000 per 100,000 views. Now, did you know that you guys can actually check how much a YouTube channel is making? And how we do this is we simply go to the YouTube channel that we're curious about, and then we will install a Chrome extension that is called vidIQ. Then you can actually see how many thousands of views per month these channels are getting. And then you're going to multiply that by a reasonable cost per impressions, which is a CPM. And a CPM is how much channels make per 1,000 views. So let's say the average CPM is $6 per 1,000 views. Then if we see a channel is getting 100,000 views per month, this means they could be making $600 per month. But the thing is, there is a big problem with this, as different types of content will make different amounts of money, of course. The content relating to these topics typically make more money on YouTube, which are topics such as finance, making money online, technology, health, investing, travel, legal, insurance, makeup, marketing, real estate, cars, movies, and DIYs and tutorials. So there are a lot of topics out there. But these are just some of the ones that get higher views and make more money. But it is not always about the views necessarily. And this is because certain advertisers spend more money on YouTube than other advertisers. For example, Expedia is one of the top advertisers, and if your channel has a topic of travel, then they will most likely put their ads on your videos. But this isn't the whole story. Sometimes channels in lower CPM niches can actually get more views. For example, general entertainment videos such as prank videos or scary videos, and also videos such as vlogs can get a lot of views on YouTube. Now here is how we can make more per 1,000 views. First of all, you're going to choose a higher CPM niche like we had talked about before. Next, we're going to want to make sure our videos are longer than 8 minutes, and we do this for a reason. When we do this, we can go back to our settings and select monetization. Then you can add multiple ad breaks within your video. The more ads that you put in your videos means the more money that you're making per 1,000 views typically. I recommend adding them every few minutes because you don't want to ruin your viewers' experience with just a bunch of ads popping up in people's faces. But also don't make your videos longer for the sake of making them long. You want to add value in your videos and entertainment. And also remember, a video at any length can go viral. But there is something weird about all of this. My brother told me he actually makes more than $200 per 1,000 views on his YouTube channel, Make Money Matt. And after I heard this, I told him, I was like, that's impossible because how can you be the special one that makes this much on your channel? But then he let me in on a little secret, and I'll share it with you guys right now. He told me that by selling his YouTube course Tube Mastery and monetization, he's able to make so much money that it equals over $200 per 1,000 views because he gets a $1,000 course sale so often on his channel. Plus, he is in a higher CPM niche, so he is making videos about money and finance, which this is one of the niches we had talked about earlier. So he is making a lot from ad revenue revenue as well. Now, I'm currently a college student, but I am also interested in making money online and with YouTube and with business. Now, I'm trying to decode all of these different secrets and put them into simple videos like this. Hit the subscribe button if I helped you with this video or provided you with some new information. And feel free to check out this video as it goes in depth and talks about how to make money on YouTube without actually having to show your face. And it's basically a free course that my brother made for you guys. It reveals the best niches that he would choose if he was starting a new YouTube channel, how to generate content within those niches, how to actually get a lot of views and make this worth it for you guys, how to monetize to the next level and make potentially as much money as possible. Check it out and we'll see you guys there.